Hello everybody, welcome to Huntress Technology. Today I'm going to show you a Capture the Flag challenge from the 2025 Huntress Capture the Flag. This is your reception. So this is what it gave us, this giant QR code. You cannot scan it with a phone because it says it's too large. So we're going to use a tool like CyberChef and put this image in there and see if we can parse out the QR code. So let's open up CyberChef. Here we go. Let's drag this saved image to CyberChef. So this is what we currently have. Let's see if we can parse the QR code. So parse QR code. So this big image gave us this. So let's copy this. We can stick this in something like VS Code or terminal. So it looks like this is another QR code. So I'm going to save this QR code as an image, and again we will go and put this in CyberChef. So file, save as. So now we have this file image saved. Let's go and stick this in CyberChef. So I'm going to remove this one. And now let's stick this new QR code that we just got into this. And there we go. We got the flag. It's a QR code inside of a QR code, and this created the flag. You could also scan this QR code right here, for example, with your phone, and you should receive this exact same thing. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'll see you all in the next video.